IMR technology delivers true cost reduction and efficiency enhancement through our industry-leading IMR technology. Our process streamlines production by eliminating post-processing steps, directly shortening the production cycle and lowering defect rates. This cuts comprehensive costs at the source. Moreover, the finished products exhibit exceptional wear and scratch resistance, ensuring consistent quality and enhancing product value. Our flexible service model extends these advantages, offering diverse options from materials to finished products. Whether you need individual support or an integrated one-stop solution, we are committed to meeting your needs more efficiently and maximizing cost-effectiveness. Choose IMR to compete smarter, leaner, and stronger.